Muscle loss after 40 is not just about what you stop doing. It is also about what you stop eating. Most people think muscles disappear because of age or lack of exercise. But the real damage often starts on your plate long before it shows up in your strength. After 40, your body becomes less efficient at using nutrients, especially protein. The same meals that maintained muscle in your 30s no longer send a strong enough signal to rebuild it. This is called anabolic resistance, and it means your muscles need clearer, stronger nutrition signals to stay alive. When those signals do not come, your body quietly breaks muscle down to survive. This is why many adults over 40 feel weaker, even though they eat regularly. Calories are coming in, but muscle-building nutrients are not. Ultra-processed foods make this worse. They are easy to chew, easy to digest, and terrible at stimulating muscle. Soft breads, pastries, sugary snacks, and refined grains spike blood sugar, but fail to activate muscle repair. Over time, your body learns to store energy as fat instead of muscle. Even worse, low protein intake tells your brain that muscle tissue is expendable. The body adapts by shrinking it. But here is the shift that changes everything. Muscle is built when food and movement work together. Protein is the foundation. After 40, each meal should contain a clear protein source like eggs, fish, poultry, legumes, dairy, or well-prepared plant proteins. Leucine-rich foods are especially powerful because leucine flips the switch that tells muscle to grow. Without that signal, even exercise loses effectiveness. Minerals matter too. Magnesium helps muscles contract and relax. Zinc supports hormone balance. Potassium protects nerve signals. When these are missing, muscles weaken even if protein is adequate. Then there is timing. Muscles are most responsive to nutrients earlier in the day and after resistance activity. Skipping protein at breakfast and saving it for dinner is one of the fastest ways to accelerate muscle loss after 40. The body cannot store protein for later use. Miss the signal and the opportunity is gone. The empowering truth is this: muscle loss is not a sentence. It is a message. Your body is asking for clearer signals. Eat foods that require chewing, digesting, and building. Pair them with simple resistance like lifting, carrying, or pushing your own body. When food quality improves, muscle becomes valuable again. Strength returns, metabolism stabilizes, and aging stops feeling like decline and starts feeling like control.